this is needlepointers.com, and today we'll be dyeing the shirt that got dyed in the wash.
We will be using this tie-dye kit we purchased from Michaels for our project today. The kit comes with 12 colors, gloves, rubber bands, table cover, and a project ideas book. If you would like to purchase supplies for this project, please click the link in the description of our video or the iCard. Michaels is one of our affiliates, so if you purchase through our link, we get a small commission and you help us keep making more videos.
We also bought this extra color too.
So we're tie-dyeing a garment that was dyed in the wash by another piece of clothing. So we've done stripes on the arms and sunburst in the middle. And we're just going to start dyeing.
We start with
the
sunbursts.
sunbursts. So I'm using yellow for the sunbursts. I'm trying not to get too much, but it's spraying everywhere. Okay, so you don't want to squirt out too much or else it will spray everywhere, but it's okay.
But you'll be doing a darker
color.
color.
But I'm doing a darker color on the rest of it, so it doesn't matter if it sprays everywhere.
And we're only dyeing the white part of the sweatshirt, and we're going to leave the gray part undyed.
So I'm being very careful not to spray everywhere.
And then you have to turn it over now.
So now I'm just dyeing the rest of the sweater.
If you like this project, please click the link in the description of the video or iCard for more photos, tips, and written instructions. Pin this page on Pinterest so you can find it easily again. If you have a website or a blog, we would love it if you would put a link to our project page on your site. If you have a crafting related website, we can put a reciprocal link to your site also.
You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the link to follow us.
And this is our finished tie-dyed sweatshirt. This was a shirt, as Kate just said in the beginning, that she had put through the laundry and it picked up some pink color in the laundry on the white sections. And that was from some other new sweatshirt she had, and she put in there a dark sweatshirt with a light colors. I know we've all done this before and ended up with like pink on our white shirts or underwear or whatever happens to be in there. So what we decided to do was tie-dye the shirt so that it would cover up the random pink and make the whole shirt colorful. She really likes how it turned out, and hopefully she'll be able to keep wearing this shirt. We hope you enjoyed this project today and tie-dye some of your own projects this summer. Don't forget to share this project with your friends on social media. Subscribe to our channel, comment below, and click the like button. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other craft projects and tutorials.